In this video, I want to show you what $94,000 can get you in Playa del Carmen. You will see that you are getting a lot more than a house. When you decide to buy in Mexico, you are buying a lifestyle. Today we are at La Ciudad Mayacoba, located right at the entrance of Playa del Carmen. Anyone who wants to enter Mayacoba must present their credentials.
Vamos a Jardines. Somos promotores.
Canada is cool, but does your neighborhood has little passages for monkeys and coatis? I don't think so. Today Carlos invited me for a full city tour. We are going to see houses for all budgets, starting with my personal favorite, which is surprisingly not the most expensive.
This is our Ébano model. This model is one of the most people like because it's a very open space.
The open area was the reason I preferred this model. All the rooms are super bright and vibrant. We have a beautiful common bathroom, but the main bedroom has its own.
It offers two bedrooms.
Both of the bedrooms are super spacious, modern, and they have plenty of storage. This is the perfect house for a small family.
Todos nuestros productos incluyen un área de servicio como esta, que tienes una piscina, una parrilla, tus servicios de baño, una palapa con mesas para disfrutar o con tus camas.
Moving on to the next one.
Rock,
Yes.
welcome to the Crown Jewel. This is the Caoba house. As you will notice, this is our most spacious house. We have living room, dining room. We have a huge kitchen. This is the one I like most. This is amazing. We have the laundry area.
Good job.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs. Most of the house has skylights, so it makes it again very bright. In this house, all the bedrooms are loaded with storage and each one has its own bathroom, which is very convenient.
And welcome to the main room.
Finally, the masterpiece of the house. The decoration was on point and this room has a bit more features included than the other rooms.
It has a little balcony. But what most women like, and which never be enough for ladies,
No.
a huge walk-in closet.
Very nice.
And the bathroom.
And the bathroom. So that is all for the Caoba model. Thank you.
I need your credit card,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna give you the bank.
Now, what can you get for $94,000 in the Caribbean? This is the Anturio model. The perfect home for a first investment, a small family, or someone looking to start their journey under the sun. It has a great living and dining room, 2 bedrooms with the sharing bathroom,
Y de este lado también vamos a enseñarles que tiene
a small but modern kitchen with a little patio for sunbathing afternoons. For anyone who wants to start a new life in the tropics or invest for the future, we will guide you through the whole process. Don't forget that when you buy a home in Playa del Carmen, you are buying all the commodities that comes with it. Parks, beaches, hospital, reputed schools, and much more. If you like the content about food and travel, don't forget to subscribe and watch our previous videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm out.